unforgettable wildlife. But before you go, there's one crucial thing you need to get right: your packing. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to pack smart, save space, and be ready for every adventure South Africa has to offer. From the city streets of Cape Town to the wilds of Kruger National Park, let's make sure you're prepared for it all. It isn't just one destination, it's many worlds in one country. From the arid deserts of the Northern Cape to the lush, subtropical coastlines of KwaZulu-Natal, the country offers a rich tapestry of climates and landscapes. In 2025, you'll need to pack smart for the diverse climates. Here's the breakdown. Whether you're heading to the bustling cities, the serene beaches, or the wild savannas, each region has its own unique weather patterns that you need to be prepared for. Cape Town summers from November to March are warm and windy, but winters can be chilly and rainy. Pack layers. The city's weather can change rapidly, so it's always a good idea to have a light jacket or sweater on hand, even in the summer. Kruger National Park. The dry season from May to September is perfect for safaris, so think lightweight, breathable clothes for the day and a jacket for cool evenings. The nights can get surprisingly cold, so don't forget to pack a warm layer for those early morning game drives. Durban and the East Coast, it's subtropical. Think beachwear and light fabrics year-round. The humidity can be high, so breathable, moisture-wicking fabrics are your best bet to stay comfortable. The garden route. Expect moderate weather, so layers are your best friend. This region is known for its stunning natural beauty, and the weather can be quite variable, so packing a mix of clothing options will ensure you're prepared for anything. By understanding South Africa's diverse climate zones, you'll avoid overpacking and focus on versatility. This way, you can enjoy your travels without the burden of unnecessary luggage, making your journey through this beautiful country even more enjoyable. No matter where you're heading in South Africa, some essentials are a must. In 2025, here's what you can't leave behind. Power adapter. South Africa uses Type D and M plugs. Don't get caught without one. Sunscreen and a hat. The African sun is no joke, especially if you're spending time outdoors. Comfortable walking shoes. For city tours, hikes, or safaris, a sturdy yet comfortable pair is key. Binoculars. Essential for wildlife spotting in Kruger or bird watching along the coast. Reusable water bottle. Stay hydrated while being eco-friendly. Pack these essentials and you'll be ready for whatever adventure comes your way. South Africa is all about adventure, and in 2025, the activities are as thrilling as ever. From the rugged mountains to the vast savannas, this country offers a diverse range of experiences for every type of adventurer. Here's how to pack smart for some of the top experiences you can have in this beautiful land. Whether you're hiking, going on a safari, or diving with sharks, having the right gear is essential. Hiking Table Mountain or the Drakensberg. Make sure to bring sturdy hiking boots, moisture-wicking clothing to keep you dry, and a small day pack for snacks and water. Don't forget a hat and sunscreen to protect yourself from the sun. Safari in Kruger. Wear neutral-colored clothing to blend in with nature, a wide-brimmed hat to shield you from the sun, and binoculars for spotting wildlife. A good camera is also a must to capture those unforgettable moments. Wine tours in Stellenbosch. Dress in smart casual attire for vineyard visits. Something light, breathable, but stylish. Comfortable shoes are also a good idea for walking around the vineyards. Shark cage. Diving in Gansbaai. Pack a swimsuit and a waterproof bag for your belongings. If you have an underwater camera, bring it along to capture the thrilling experience. Packing the right gear ensures you'll be ready to fully enjoy these unforgettable adventures. With the right preparation, you can make the most of your time in South Africa and create memories that will last a lifetime. Packing smart isn't just about what you pack, but how you pack. Efficient packing can make your travel experience smoother and more enjoyable. Here are some tips to save space and keep things organized, ensuring you have everything you need without the bulk. 1. Roll your clothes. Rolling clothes instead of folding them saves space and prevents wrinkles. This technique also makes it easier to see all your items at a glance. 1. Use packing cubes. These handy organizers keep your items sorted and easy to access. They also help compress your clothes, making more room in your suitcase. 1. Opt for a capsule wardrobe. Choose versatile pieces that mix and match easily. This way you can create multiple outfits with fewer items. Think neutral tones with a pop of color. This approach ensures you look stylish without overpacking. 1. Layer, don't bulk. Instead of packing a heavy coat, bring layers you can add or remove. This is especially useful for varying weather conditions. 1. Minimize toiletries. Bring travel-sized versions of your essentials or plan to buy them locally. This saves space and reduces the weight of your luggage. With these space-saving hacks, you'll have room for souvenirs while keeping your luggage light. Enjoy your travels with a well-organized and efficient packing strategy. South Africa is a safe destination when you're prepared. Here's how to pack smart to protect your belongings. Anti-theft backpack. Ideal for city exploring with lockable zippers and hidden compartments. Money belt. Keep cash, passports, and cards secure while sightseeing. Luggage locks. A simple way to protect your bags during transit. Copies of documents. Bring digital and physical copies of your passport, itinerary, and important contacts. With these precautions, you'll feel confident and secure wherever you go. Packing smart is the first step to an unforgettable adventure in South Africa in 2025. From the bustling streets of Cape Town to the peaceful savannas of Kruger, being prepared means you can fully enjoy every moment. So, are you ready to pack your bags and head off on the trip of a lifetime? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to share it with your fellow travelers. Let's make 2025 the year of adventure. See you on the next journey.